always wanted to see mountains from above, and one of the ways to do it is to fly over them. So I booked a flight from Innsbruck airport, situated right between the Alps. Hello from Belgium, from Brussels. It's actually Christmas Day and I decided to make a small trip and to explore Belgium because I've never been to Belgium before. This time I'm gonna visit 3 cities, starting from Brussels obviously, then I'm going to Antwerp, and then I'm going to Ghent. I'm actually not sure what to expect from the last two because I'm more informed about Brussels from different kinds of blogs and different kinds of travel programs. You've probably heard about Belgian chocolate, but have you heard about Belgium fries, like French fries, but Belgian fries? It's the most common street food here and it's considered traditional because apparently the Belgian people came up with French fries, but like Belgian fries. If you've been to Milan, you'll say this looks like Vittorio Emanuele Gallery. But here is a twist. The Royal Galleries in Brussels preceded it, meaning they were built the first. It is an ensemble of 3 glazed shopping arcades, and it consists of the King's Gallery, the Queen's Gallery, and the Princess Gallery. Among other things, you'll find their established chocolatier like Mary and Neuhaus. And here is the very center of Brussels, the beautiful Grand Place. It started as a marketplace and has witnessed many tragic events since its construction, but luckily it was reconstructed and is now a part of UNESCO heritage. When in Brussels, it's impossible not to notice street food and all the waffles outside. However, according to locals, waffles are meant to be eaten either plain or with some sugar powder only. It is Christmas morning and the streets are so empty. But anyway, you probably know Brussels as the capital of the European Union, but did you know that it's also the capital of comics, like comic strips? Starting from the 90s, artists started to decorate the walls, murals with comic strips with different scenarios. People liked it and started to demand even more. And just like that, Brussels became a capital of comic strips. And if you Google, you can find like actual comic strip roads that you can follow and read different stories. Belgium, the birthplace of world-famous comic book characters such as the Smurfs, Lucky Luke, and the Tintin, keeps these characteristics alive on the streets of its city and preserves it in its museums. Right behind me is the little pissing man, as you can see. Right there, he's really little. This time it's Christmas time. He's suited in a Christmas suit, Santa Claus or something. According to different sources, he has around 140 costumes. So they, change them from time to time depending on what kind of events are celebrated in the world. It's under the top 10 underwhelming tourist attractions or something, because he's really small, he's like really little. And an additional fact is that you can actually find a little pissing girl somewhere and a dog. So there are 3 of them, but the little pissing man is way more famous than the other 2. Behind me is the pissing dog. It was once hit by a car and it was once stolen. The artist made a replica, so made one more pissing dog, and now it's on its place. Out of all 3, this one fits the most organically in this setting. I don't know why they put the pissing girl in the cage, like literally. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to this channel not to miss the other trips.